Let's learn some HTML. This is a simple application which I developed. So here, if you see, I have draw a circle. So, or show, these are the set of commands here. Show heading. When I click show heading, so it shows head one, header one, and the tag closes as header one. So, and the output will look like this. So what we can do is I'm just copying it and then pasting it here. And then run the code, you'll see here. So if you want, you can change like this and then say header 2, and then you can run the code, and then this will be a bit bigger. Like that, we have another command, show a paragraph. So for paragraph, we have the tag p and here p, and this will be the output. So if I just copy that and then paste it here and then run code, this will be showing. Next command, add a button. So this is how you add a button here, and the command is button with the close tag. So I can just to execute on my own, like this tool I'm going to provide as a link later, but this is just I'm developing on my own. So you can add a button here and then create a list. So this is the items. So you have ul as a start tag, ending tag, and then list of items. Yeah, and then it shows up like this. You can add more items also, just you have to like to say, I just paste it here and then say run code, and you see more items. So if you want to add more items, just copy and then say here, and so I can put 4, and then I can do something like this here and then add. Then you see one more item is added. So next command is add a colored box. So I'm just putting a colored box. The syntax is div and then it's closed here, and you have a class color box. So that's one thing. And then you have style. Style is equal to, starts with the single quotes, and you see the single quotes ends here. So inside the style you have width 100 px, and then you have height as 100 px, and then background color is red, and this is what you see. And if I want to do the same thing, I can put it here, say, and I can change the color, say let's say green, and then run the code. You see you have a green thing. So then draw a circle. It's the same, like you have div class circle, that's the only difference. And you have style, it starts with width, height, background color, and then border radius. And then last is make a blinking text. This is all HTML code. So it starts with p, class is blinking, style is animation. So this is the thing which makes it animate. Animation blink is indefinite, and then the text blinks, the text you want to put here. And there's a keyframe syntax, opacity you can set, and style. So this also I can copy, and then it's a bit too big, I'll just put the whole thing, and here I'll just format it a bit because it's a bit too much. So you have the p tag here. So p is starting and p is ending, and that's where you have to put the text dot blinks. And you have style. Style is starting, and this is how you end it, and inside it you put the keyframe blinking. Then run the code, see. So you can play around with these values and see what happens, so that you know it's a bit you'll see some of the changes of the settings, like this one here, opacity and the style. So hope you understood some of the syntax in this quick video. I'll post this link on my website, and you can do the same. Thank you.